Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club, and I am using this gorgeous kit that's called Celebration. I cannot get enough of it. Absolutely stunning. There is this perfect combination between whimsy and like modern vintage. I don't know. There's all good things. That's my point. All good things are happening. Now I'm going to use a large photo, which I do not frequently do. This is a 5x7 of my mother and my oldest daughter on Mackinac Island in northern Michigan. I have that. And the reason why I thought of this is this paper here from April and Ivy has bright springy colors, right? But it also has fall vibes. When I put this photo here, it starts to sing. I love it. Love it. Now, I did go ahead and fussy cut out all of the florals from this paper. Let me see if I can find the paper, guys. I have a disaster of a desk because I've been enjoying this so incredibly much. Oh my word, I am never going to find my scraps. Where is it? Oh, here it is. This paper right here, it is called Blooming Brights. And I fussy cut out every single thing because I loved it so much. Loved all of these florals. So I was thinking, I love, of course, this paper here goes with it beautifully. My photo is so big that it totally can stand up to all of this happiness. Now, I'm thinking this paper here, it's from April and Ivy called Petal Parade. Why don't we just go ahead and trim off the branding strip? Let's just start right there because why not? We're going to have to do so. And this is a plaid, right? But it's a plaid that's like a little bit vintagey and a little bit amazing. And I'm thinking of doing a bit of a column in between, which is fun. I just want it bigger than my photo. Great. And I also know that I want to use all of those florals that I fussy cut. So we just got to see how this is going to go. So we have this, right? Already bold, a lot going on. This photo is massive, so it can stand up to it. I'm trying to get you from getting that bright, bright light. Oh, it's that one. I was trying to figure out which one. Okay, we have that. I love it. Love this. Kind of want let me see, where's my massive pile of papers? I kind of want something to calm it down though. And I am wondering if my ticket is a little bit of black just to do a separation. That might be nifty. You know what I really want to do? I want to do it with a notebook punch. And this is one of those things that I probably won't even see. Where's my notebook punch? I haven't used it forever. Probably won't even see. I'll probably have florals all over it. Who knows? But I'm going to notebook punch either side of it. But, you know, I'm going to be a cheater because I don't want to waste the black. So, you know, I just cut a piece, slide it under, cut a piece, slide it under, and it'll look like it's under the whole thing. You know what I mean. You know. Okay. So I'm going to do that to give myself a nice little separation, right? Beautiful. Love it. Love it. Let's go like this. Photo. Notebook punch. Then let the layering begin, my friends. I want to put all of the flowers. If you're a flower, you shall be put. And I don't even know how yet, but they're going on. They're going to achieve floral, beautiful greatness. So if I have to go, oh, this one would be really good down here. Now, on the grounds of the Grand Traverse Resort, you can barely see, and this was late in the season, but this entire hill, all the way along this giant porch, everywhere there are florals. So, ooh, kind of like that too. Might do that, not sure. So my plan is to just floral it up. And I'm saying that I'm going to use them all. I don't know if we'll have the room to use them all, but I want to. I definitely want to. I want to bend the leaves. I want to make it even more stunning. That You guys, look at that gray floral. Like, so pretty. So oh, see how that one's a little bit cut off there? We'll tuck it. Nobody has to know. So I just want to layer up some of these gorgeous bits, have some of these beautiful tones in here. Let me get a little bit of this orchidy tone. I don't know. I want it somewhere. I can tuck it somewhere. So this is kind of where I'm going. Now, this is called the Grand Hotel. And I think maybe these alphas here are going to be my ticket. I don't know what my title is yet. My first thought was Gwama, because my daughter calls my mother Gwama, Gwama. That might be kind of funny. Time with Gwama? I don't know. Maybe I could do it like this, time with, and do Gwama. All right, I'm going to get these pieces on. I want to notebook punch the black on the outside for a little extra texture, something. Pop up my florals. We will do a title. I'm thinking time with Gwama would be funny. And I'll meet you right back here. So I've got all of these florals kind of, started and popped up, and I love them. I need to be able to have a little spot to get time with pop down, because these letters are a little bit smaller and I didn't want them to disappear. So I'm looking at these gorgeous bits and pieces. And I'm thinking maybe a couple of these pieces that are in these aqua tones. Maybe that will be the ticket. I'm seeing what else is in here, but I like the idea of, popping some. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, totally love that. Okay. So I'll have a couple of these little pieces to just get that time width on there. And then these letters are nice and bold and we can see them from anywhere. So that's not going to be our problem. This is so fun, guys. Isn't this just so fun? So we know we can get time width, right? So let's see what our letter choices are. I mean, anything will be fine. Ooh, I really like this purple. So we'll have our little time width, and I can move these around. It's not a big deal. I'm just going to put for now, and then we'll shift. Shifty, move it around. It's going to be great. T-I-M-E, time. What color? For my W. Oh, we don't have this color yet. So time with Gwama is what we're gonna have. And guys, it's another layout. I just can't believe how quick these are coming together. It's one of those, I'm so inspired that I think I could make 20 layouts with this kit and be thrilled, just thrilled. Okay, I'm gonna get Gwama on here. Then I get to go around and see what little bits and pieces I can tuck in. So the whole base is done, and now we just get to go off with finishing touches. And out of those pieces, I told you I fussy cut out everything. That's all I have left out of that big floral sheet. And I cut everything. So we are getting ourselves some traction. Let's see what else we can put on. These are foam, and they're these gorgeous gold metallic pieces. So that would be fun to tuck in. Let's have this come out this way. A little white, a little gold. All of it's so beautiful. Okay, we have that. Now, we've got this set of April and Ivy stickers, and I can't. They're stunning. The You and Me's cute, but look at kind of like this. Looks kind of like an oil can. I really like that. Let's pop that up there. Let's just go boop. So at this point of the project, I am just finding little pretty things that make me a happy, happy girl and tucking them. Anything that is making my heart sing gets to go on. I mean, it's diagonal design, which, it's my favorite design. So we do see that out of me. Ooh, how about a couple of these black and white flowers? Oh my gosh. I'm going to layer up all the things, make it so pretty. Sorry, I had a coughing fit. So I have a little black and white floral there, one there, and it's one of those. Oh, guys, did you see how cute this title is? This time with Gwama. So cute. Yeah, I just want to put all of the things. Look at that little birdie gets to sit there. Oh, how cute. Let me get a little foam for that. You guys, I love it. I love it. I love the kit. I love the bright, happy colors. I love the sentiments of all these things. It's just, it is kit goals. That's what we're dealing with. Kit goals. Oh my gosh, look at that bird. Now, low key, my daughter is not a bird fan. I love birds, and my mother does. But look at how cute. I would love to have this bird waddling around out by my bird feeder. So cute. Okay, I have all of that. Now, what else do I want to do? I've got clearly florals. I've got some die cuts. I've got glitter foam. I've got foam. I have the world's most beautiful puppies. Where are my puppies? Ooh, guys, let's put a few of these butterflies. And they're soft puppies. Let's tuck in some of these soft, gorgeous puppies here and there. Another texture, another little vibe of a little something happening. That one can be by his little bird friend. Oh, that's so beautiful. So I have 3 of those on. Then guys, I think I'm going to put some of the confetti pieces on and I'm going to be done. I cannot even believe it. Ooh, I just saw a floral I want to pop on. Look at this orchid little floral piece. Oh my gosh. Okay, so guys, before I start choking again, like before, squeeze on that one. Yeah, I'm going to just put some of these confetti bits on and we are going to be just about, oh, that's so pretty. Just about done with this project. I love it. All right, let me do that. I'll come back and show you the finished one. Alrighty guys, I just filled in a couple of my little florals with some shiny bits because, you know, I love doing that. A couple of like pops of color, some of our confetti, and we have ourselves a sweet little layout about time with Gwama. And I love it. Love the bright colors. Love all of the hubbub going on, the metallics, the whole thing. So guys, links down below for the Mercy Tiara Kit Club website and the Facebook group. Come grab your kits, play along with us, show us what you're creating. And I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. A few still shots to follow, my friends. Bye for now.